Watch him.
Just a restaurant drink it.
Dead.
What up?
One gang. No way. No country man them.
Move first up.
Them no country man them youth. You know about rum drinking youth. You look at this.
Yo.
But they really feel like
Morning, guys. Do I look crazy? It's the hair in it. I had to plait it up to preserve it anyway, because I like it. I like this style. Anyway, good morning. It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing, and subscribe. Ooh, it's another day. Seems like my lashes are falling off, but don't mind. By later I'll be fixing up. Anyway, today is another day. As I said, my plan is really, there is a grave digging today, and if you say again, and next week is another one. But as you can see, the weather is forecast because it was raining early this morning, but I hope the rain hold up so that I can attend, because I want to, because it's a couple months ago there was an accident in my community where 3 young men passed away. So this is the last one, and this is the last one I can attend. I mean, it is so sad, but what can I say? Anyway, I need this rain to hold up so I can go, but now it's early in the morning. I need to go look some breakfast because I'm a bit hungry. So let me go up on my mama yard, and when I'm doing something, I'll get back to you.
Teach us to number our days, O Lord, that we may gain.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
You can just call me earlier and I'm going to send you a long time. When you call me back? You know. Yeah. Officer?
yes sir.
Yes.
So you know there's an event keeping there.
They may have ticket, I couldn't take it down. How much earning? 2, I just 2. Yeah, so go. Oh, yeah, VIP. Yeah. Can't tell. I think I need unbound for them VIP ticket here. Just look on it. Yeah, VIP ticket, man. Alright.
Okay. Okay, folded it.
Okay, full man. Okay, full. You think it's by the dashboard?
Hello.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, 2. She's going to give it armband.
Okay.
Okay. A VIP armband, I forget it. Yes, sir. I wouldn't make okay, now. I don't think the call I meant for me now. I call on my own. Help, please. So I'm giving her a normal armband.
Oh, did you say
Yes,
I wanted to get
no, the VIP armband that ticket me have. Well, what's that woman there, man? Hello? What's that VIP bag? Where that about?
It's a big thing. I thought it was a little thing.
Thank you very much, darling. Yeah, go on like if you in the front there, hey, if you in the front there, I mean a VIP you want to go to, no. Give me a VIP ticket, thank you. Where we park? Where we park?
Anywhere you want to.
Okay. Come on,
You know that me I tell him.
She feisty.
Hello? My friend, hello? Hello? So why I say people come here, man?
I know. I said just big up so now. How we are go park?
Let's close on the park, it's better for me.
What's wrong with Charge, you don't want to say, pick up them soup out here. Them are the money part of the
From city of born stunner, I can blow up. 50 when I'm shopping, that ain't no money. I got my jeans sagging, money stuffed in them. I got 40 whips, way too much. I need me a queen, I need me a dime. Living this fast life, just show me a sign. I'm a G, I'm a G. From the lane, put her on that gun. They already know. All she needs, all she needs is a boss on my level who provides her every need. All I
Shot too much better, man. Shot too much there. Shot too much.
You ready?
The next day.
Altia, Janetdyce me. Oh, no, Altia.
Roll it.
We can't bear that blood clot. I'm going afraid. Get up!
Run! Sierra, walk one.
No one. We just come Leroy and cook. A long time ago? Huh?
Watch him.
One gang. No way. No countryman them. No countryman them youth. You know about rum drinking youth. You look on this one. But you really feel like that. Brother, look on this one.
Yeah.
Check out this thing.
Look on this one.
What? Brother, you better look at something like you. Look at this bad man.
Hey.
How are this?
How are that?
Brother, move this one. Go shake out this one. How are that? Look what's in there.
Alright, make yellow bag it up, man. Bag it up, man. Yellow.
No, what?
You have to not swallow the attack. No, you have to not swallow the attack. What I'm doing, Dan? Take time soon, come on.
What did that say?
Hey guys, what's going on? Just came in back from grave digging. It was so big, but it was extremely hot. But I'm glad I went. Saw a lot of people I haven't seen in ages. So it was good. Anyway, if you read so far in my vlog, I'm gonna end this right here because I'm doing daily vlogs. So it's what I do in a day, and this is what I did today. So if you reach this far in my vlog, please remember to like, comment, and if not, subscribe. And I see you tomorrow.